Hi 3-2. So what I want to show you today is how to start a Google Doc. And sometimes as we learn, we will be opening, creating, naming, and sharing a Google Doc, for example, when we write a story. So the first thing that you will do is open Gmail. This is my Gmail, but yours will look similar. Hopefully not with as many emails as me. Then you're going to go over to all of these dots, and they are the Google apps. I'm going to click on them to see what my choices are. Then I'm going to look for Docs right here, and I'm going to click on it. What you're going to see is a choice to open all your old docs or the option or choice to make a new one. So here is what it will look like when your Google Docs open. Right here you can see it says start a new document. Down at the bottom it says recent documents. Those are things you might have been working on last year or in the summer. Now one day I might tell you to go in here and look for a piece of work that you have already started. You would come down and look for the one that you already made. But for today, what we're going to practice is how to start a new document. We're going to click on the plus symbol or where it says blank. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to start a whole new document. Usually what I'm going to ask you to do is give your document a name. Probably something like my story, and then of course you will need to write your name because I don't want 22 pieces of writing called my story. That would be confusing. So we will start with my story and then your name. My name is Miss Hennessy. Your job is to write your name, not my name. Then you can see it looks like a piece of paper or a page, and you can write your story. My story starts like this. Okay? Then we know there are a lot of different features that you can use to write a story. That's not what I'm going to show you right now. But I do want to show you one more thing. And that thing is how to share it with your teacher. The reason this is important is because if you get to this part where you create a story and you give it a name, that's wonderful, but I don't see it. So for me to be able to see what you did, you need to share it with me. So you're going to go up to the right-hand corner right here where it says share, and you're going to share it with me. Here is my email address, okay, but I will type it in for you as well. K-H-E-N-N-E-S-S-Y, and you can see that comes up. It's the first letter of my name, and then my last name, Hennessy. Hopefully what you see is this suggestion. They're telling you you're probably looking for me. Otherwise, you'll have to type in the whole thing at cag.edu.gt. Hopefully you only have to do that once, and then every other time before you're finished, you should see my picture and my name and my email address. Once you see that, you click done. And that means you are finished creating a new Google Doc, but also sharing it with your teacher. That way, I get to read all of your amazing stories, and in a later video, we can talk on how I can comment on them and you can read my ideas. Okay, so I hope you now understand how to open your email, click on the Google Apps or the dots. We're making a new Docs or Google Docs. I remember that we were creating a new one. Start a new document. and we wanted a blank or empty document. So we're going to click on that one, and then of course you're going to give it a name up here in the corner. It was my story or something else that I ask you to title it, and then of course you need to remember your name. My name is Miss Hennessy. Last but not least, you're going to go over to this button over here that says share, and you need to remember that every good piece of work that you create, I want to celebrate with you, so you need to share it with me, the teacher. Okay, and that is how you are going to create a piece of writing and share it with your teacher. Now you have a job to do. Your job is to create a new Google Doc. Then title it My Story and your name. Finally, share it with me. And here is my email address. That is your job. I can't wait to see the document that you create. Remember, today you're not actually writing anything, but we're just practicing how to do it. Create a new Google Doc, give it a title, My Story, and your name, and finally, share it with me. Okay, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.